pambansang ama, pambansang tatay, Ibisaya, pambansang amahan, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Kasama po sa ating pambansang tatay, ang tatay po ng City of Davao, wala pong iba, si Mayor Sebastian Baste Duterte. May we request everybody, please back to your respective seats. Balik po tayo, anyway mamaya. We have the photo opportunity with Mayor Baste and President Rodrigo Duterte.
Kapolod?
Once again, we would like to request ang ating mga kababayan, kasama natin sa PDP. We have the photo opportunity mamaya with the Mayor and
may program. Automatic na parang nasa bagay ang tatay ko pala na politiko rin. But between and my mother, matagal 10 years.
Pastor, sana okay ka lang. I wish you well. I wish you good health. Stay strong and I'll see you soon.
In the service, nasa pinakababa. You was least expected na manalo for the presidency. But because the Filipino people believe in him, believe we can make our country great dahil sa tulong o sa kagustuhan ng mga ordinaryong mamamayang Pilipino, nakapaglagay tayo ng presidente that embodied yung ideals and aspirations ng bawat Pilipino.